Giki ari kiumia gia kana kuuma arutwo maingira kirathi gia form 1 kuri na arutwo matari marahota gukinyaniria kiroto kiao gia kuingira secondary kumana na wagi wa fithi kuona aingi ao maumite micini iri na ukia munene.
So that is Daraja Kenya initiative.
Na rita njira ya gukinyaniria iroto cia amwe a arutwo aya, Bengi ya NCBA umuthi niiheanire ceki cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 11,140 kuri ikundi 6 iria manyitanagira guteithiriria ciana iria ciumite micini itehotete gukinyaniria mathomo mao. Murugamiriri munene wa NCBA John Gashora akiuga mbeca ici ikurugamirira mathomo ma miaka ma arutwo aya.
NCBA sponsors about 100 kids a year. In total we have 300 kids that we're supporting. So today was handing over checks to the various foundations through which we support the children.
We do not have the money to do the work. So you have said we'll bring the money, you bring your visions, you bring your dreams. And therefore you have given us a very low cost, high value partnership.
Muikariri gite wa Bengi ya NCBA James Ndegwa akiuga hari kioneki kiao gia guteithiriria ciana ithome makoretwo makiiganania airitu na anake na makoretwo makioya ciana kuuma kaunti ciothe 47.
Currently, NCBA has enrolled over 300 students in various primary, secondary and tertiary institutions. Our scholarship covers tuition fees, textbooks, uniforms, dormitory supplies and other related issues.
Mwena-ini wao arutwo aria magunikite na uteithio uyu ni macokeire ikundi ici ngatho ni kuheo mweke wa guthie na mbere na mathomo mao.
So I would like to thank Dr. Choksi and NCBA because without them the 455 record would not have been set.
It's through your efforts, your grace and your kindness and others like you that the first child is able to eat well, dress well and have quality education.
Once people learn that lending a helping hand to someone might not change the whole world, but it will change the whole world for one person, then we will be able to achieve change.
Sometimes it's usually hard for a person with albinism who doesn't have glasses to socialize with friends, to go out because some of them they have this fear in them.
Hari ndumiriri yake iria thomirwo handu-ini hake ni murugamiriri wa githomo gia secondary Paul Kibet, minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu augite kwaga indo iria irabatarania mathomo-ini na makiria thukuru-ini iria iri icagi-ini ni undu ukoretwo ukihotomia mathomo. Akiuga thirikari ni guthie na mbere na kunyitanira na ikundi cia andu kiumbe.
Poverty and other socio-economic factors have made it difficult, sometimes impossible, for some of the students to continue with their studies. Therefore, it is heartening and encouraging to see the private sector or private enterprises like NCBA stepping up to help and to support our students.
Bengi ya NCBA ikoretwo igiteithiriria arutwo guthoma kuuma mwaka wa 2007. Girifotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.
You coming? Fantastic.